Let's evaluate 2 over 5 divided by 10. Solution. Now remember, we keep our first fraction, that is we have 2 over 5 divided by. Now we'll write the whole number as a fraction, so we have it as 10 over 1. Now what you want to do now is to change this division sign to multiplication, which will cause us to write the reciprocal of this whole number, so that is, it becomes 1 over 10. In other words, you flip it. So we'll have this now as 2 over 5 multiplied by. Now when we flip this, we have 1 over 10. Now we multiply the numerator, so we'll have 2 times 1. And then we multiply the denominators. We have 5 times 10. Now 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2. And 5 multiplied by 10 will give us 50. Now remember to always check your fraction and ensure that you bring it to its lowest term. In this case, we see that there's a common factor of 2, so we divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. And when we do that, 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, and 50 divided by 2 will give us 25, making our answer 1 over 25. Thank you.